Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can deactivate your account on Roblox in 2026 on PC and laptop. So let us guide you through this. Start by launching the Roblox app on your device, then log into your account and click into this button here on the left hand side. Then navigate to settings. In the next step, click into privacy and content restrictions. And in the final step, what you want to do is click into account deactivation here. And here guys, you can deactivate your account. It's different from deleting your account because unlike removing or deleting your account, deactivating can be undone. It's reversible, as you can see. For the time of the deactivation, your profile will become invisible so that no one can interact with it on Roblox, but you will still keep access to the given account so that you may reactivate it whenever you want after time span. And so if you want to do this, click into this button here and confirm by clicking onto this button. As you can see guys, there's a difference. To delete your account, you will need to contact the Roblox support. So there's no delete button here. Users can only deactivate their accounts manually. To delete or to remove their account, they need to contact the support and to file a request there. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.